And we split it in four pieces. And then we taper them on the saw. The saw. Okay, I'll make some noise here. There's some bark here, you can see the bark. We turn it inside out, like this. Okay. After sap here, core here. So we glue them like this, four. Okay. We'll glue them like that and make one unit, like this. It doesn't break, it doesn't split. Again, sap inside, core outside. I don't want this too big because it collects less dust if it's smaller. Well, we sand the wood and then we put stain on it.
So the stain.
Yeah. You can put you can put clear after you sand it. You have to sand it and you give it some color.
So it's after sanding or before sanding?
No, after you sand.
Oh, after.
Yeah. Well, you can't sand easy after you oil it because the sand clogs up. Sandpaper clogs up. A few imperfections don't matter. Some people like imperfections.
So it's a wood stain.
Yeah, I like Danish oil stain.
This is the Danish oil.
Danish oil, yeah. You give it a few coats.
How many coats?
About 3 coats.
Oh, 3 coats.
Yeah.
How long does time is it? Coats?
Well, oil takes a little while to dry. So if you're doing if you're doing 3 or 4.
So do I need a sanding line when the Danish oil is dry, each coat?
Yeah, we put we put the 3/8 threaded rod here where the socket is fixed.
Three will make it stronger. Okay. It just got stuck right now, that's all. Okay, we drill a hole for the cable. We have a 3/8 hole here, 3/8 exactly. You can use this to drive it. Don't want to damage it. Now if it starts, you drive it all the way down. We estimate the depth of this for this and for the, that should be about ½ inch. That's about ½ inch there. Take the cap off. The cap off will come. Okay, you take the cap off. Okay, now we have the hole already here. Okay, this is the old type, so he has no difference in black or white wire. There we go. But you finish it before you do all that.
Nice.